guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Card Breaking L, getting ready for a big one. It is 23-24 Upper Deck SP Authentic release day. Early bird break is here. We got the early bird time zone over here on the East Coast, so we might as well get cracking. Here is your teams. Good luck, good luck. Ian, Colorado. Blake, Nashville. Johnny, Washington. Blake, Detroit. Suzanne, Ottawa. Adam, Arizona. George, Boston. Andrew, Anaheim. Cody, Dallas. Kyle, Buffalo. Jen, Seattle. Bob is Edmonton. Jen, Chicago. Good luck. Mike, San Jose. Johnny, Florida. Mike, Rangers. Bob, Toronto. Johnny, Carolina. Melanie's Winnipeg. Steven, Vegas. Damien, St. Louis. Chris, Tampa Bay. Jordan, Minnesota. Ashton, Philly. Dave, Pittsburgh. Jay, Montreal. Ian, Calgary. Jay, New Jersey. Michael, Vancouver. Jen, Islanders. Ryan, Columbus. And Johnny's LA. There's your teams, guys. Good luck with it. This is going to be the start of a whole bunch of SP Authentic here today, so enjoy. First look at it. 101 player guess on the board for, let's jack it up to $200 for today. We found a 101. $200 in your pocket if you guess it. Now, teams are done. Let me fix the camera. We got to crack this bad boy open. This is a 16-box master case you're looking at. We're doing 8 boxes of it, so we're going to crack it open, roll the dice, and figure out which side of the case we're going to do here. This stuff is in store. Store's open at 12. It's 11 o'clock here right now in Newfoundland. And we're going to be live this afternoon, too. I got breaks lined up for 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. 4-box half case coming up this afternoon. All right, let's do it. Roll dice. Where's that? There we go. 1, 2, 3. Left side. 4, 5, 6. Right side. 8-box case coming our way. We got 5. 4, 5, 6. It is right side. Okay, so that one's ours. I'm going to write on that one there for a sec. All right. Makes sense to me. Other side, early bird break. Here we go, 8 boxes. 1 sec, I gotta change the music. Eight-box case. Been waiting for SP Authentic for a while. Love the product. Price is pretty nuts this year. But what did you expect? The Bedard tax is real. 8-box case. Here we go. Like I said, lots more of this stuff lined up for later. There's 3 other breaks of this full besides this one. And we're also doing some more breaks that aren't even posted yet. We're going to be doing them later tonight. So stick around. SP Authentic, all kinds of different formats, all kinds of different prices. We got 2-box break up too as well. $10 packs, 9 cards per pack. There it is, the boys. Would love to find either one of them here today. Let's get somebody a nice card here right off the hop, hey? Get the monkey off the back early. We got Spectrum FX Bulldog. That is the Spectrum Future Watch set. So there's a code on the back, a scratch-off code. You put them together. You just put them into Upper Deck's website. And you get these are actually pretty popular. You're going to see a lot of people posting, looking for those. William Dufour and Brendan Gallagher. Yeah, those Spectrum ones with the scratch-off code, they're always best to get rid of, like, the open and weak. Like, if you got no attachment to them or you're not trying to put the set together, sell them, because they're always worth the most in the first week or two when people are trying to actually put the set together. The first people to put the set together get, can't remember what it is off the top of my head now. Freshman Focus, Leo Carlson. I should know. We got Patrice Bergeron. Nice. Pageantry looking nice this year. Boston Bruins. Really nice. And Cole Perfetti. You're getting 2 autographs per box here. At least one Future Watch auto. Here's Connor McDavid, Evolve. Edmonton Oilers. Some of these might come out with a player from multiple teams on it. So we'll have to maybe do a dice roll. Adam Ginnon, red, Future Watch. And I believe we got our first autograph coming up here. Daniel Gustin, 749 and 999 San Jose Sharks. First Future Watch autograph of the day. Nice. San Jose's Mike. Definitely looking for some patch autos here too. Usually getting one per 8-box case. Collaborations, Thomas Hertl, William Eklund. San Jose again. Zach Benson, Pageantry. I know you're going to see these Pageantry cards a lot, but they look a lot better than the last few years. And Ryan Shea. The first autograph was for San Jose. Evolve. So we got Minnesota, Vegas, and Buffalo. We'll do a little dice roll. We'll put these away for now, and we'll do a dice roll at the end. Sean Farrell, Pageantry, Brady Tkachuk. Connor Bedard, Freshman Focus, Chicago Blackhawks. We got Nazem Kadri. And nice. Matthew Knies for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Boom! Get a nice card for somebody right off the hop. Bob. Beautiful. A little bit of early bird mojo. 928 and 999 on card. Future Watch autograph. Matthew Knies. Gorgeous. Wow, great start. There you go, Toronto, Bob. Congrats, and there was a Bedard in the pack as well. Not bad, not bad. So 2 Future Watch autographs there to start. Collaborations, Draisaitl McDavid, Gustafson Pageantry, and Merlanian. Future Watch red. So this is the early bird break, but we do got more early breaks coming. 2 breaks this afternoon. They're both already full and ready to go. That's coming up in about 2 hours, 2 and 3 hours. Start times for those. And we're breaking all night too. Posting a bunch more. Pick your team. Going to do another pick your team case, half case. Going to do another 4-box random. Fraser Minton, Mario Ferrero, Pageantry, and Matt Murray. All right, these cards shall be sleeved. You might not see them getting sleeved here, but they will be by the time you get them. There's Adam Fox, Spectrum FX. We got Freshman Focus, Seattle, and Voronikov. Future Watch, red, Columbus. Pasternak and Marchand collaborations. We got Evangelista, Future Icon, $3.99, and Nuge, Edmonton Oilers. That's box number 1. We got our 2 autographs. We had 2 Spectrum FXs, and we had a numbered card just that time with Evangelista. Cool. Not a bad start. Let's do it again. Nice. And living the dream. Now you just got to get a nice hit to make it even better. Collaborations, Korchinski and Connor Bedard. Finally, a Kevin Korchinski card you can be happy about. Collaborations. We got Caden Gooley, Pageantry, and Lafreniere. Yeah, planning to do lots more breaks of this stuff. As long as we can fill them, we're going to keep posting them. All right, first autograph coming up. Ridley Grigg, Ottawa Senators. Nice. Future Watch Auto, Jacob Peltier, Freshman Focus, and Matt Tompkins. Good stuff. Another Future Watch autograph. This one's Ottawa Suzanne. Me, nope. Too far from me. I'm from Placentia Bay area. Originally, we got Brock Faber, Freshman Focus, but I had been out that way plenty of times. Anton Lundell, Pageantry, and Sean Farrell, Montreal Red Future Watch. Okay, here's Nick Suzuki with the red. So you're getting 2 autographs per box here. Here's your second one. Signed at the Times. Nice looking card, Vegas. Chandler Stevenson. Cool little autograph, Vegas. Vegas is Steven. And we got an Evolve, Sam Reinhart. Buffalo and Florida. So we're going to have some dice rolls to do here at the end of the break. Stay tuned for that. I'll leave them there for now. Nesterenko, Freshman Focus. We got Yanni Gourde, Pageantry, and Stanislav Seville. Matty Nyes, Freshman Focus. Found his autograph already. Mikey Anderson, Jacob Markstrom. Store's open in 15 minutes, 45 minutes. Product is ready to go. I know all the guys who pre-ordered are itching to get their boxes. Freshman Focus, Tage Thompson, Spectrum FX, and we got Kulich, Red Future Watch. Connor McDavid, Evolve, Blue. Edmonton Oilers, Mason Marchment, Pageantry, and Future Watch Red for Nashville. 2 packs left. I think we got our 2 autographs out of this one already. We did. Stammer, Evolve. One of our 4 breaks that we got posted already is a Guess to Ink break. We're doing a promotion, Guess to Ink, where guess the first autograph of the break and win yourself some cool prizes. We got 5 big prizes up for grabs. So we got one of those breaks later today that is Guess to Ink. If nobody guesses the correct autograph in that one, I'll make every break for the rest of the day Guess to Ink. So if that break doesn't get a winner in Guess to Ink, we'll make every single one tonight Guess to Ink winner. Here's Josh Norris. I keep thinking those Evolve, they have a little bit of black on the top of the card. I keep thinking they're like the black Future Watch autographs. Jackson Lacombe, Spectrum FX, Anaheim, and Evolve, Tyler Bertuzzi. Two boxes in. All right, let's do it again. Let's go 2 at a time. 10 packs. Pricey box this year is going to be pricey per pack, too. Ah, shoot. Sorry, guys, one sec. Amateur hour here. Close enough. All right, let's keep it rolling. Spectrum FX, Leon Draisaitl, Edvidson, William Dufour. I'm going to say it feels like a thick pack here, but it's not. Anders Lee, sign of the times. New York Islanders, we got another Evolve, Tyler Toffoli this time, and Austin Matthews. Future Watch autograph for Vegas, $9.99 Patira, $5.44, $9.99 Vegas. Askarov and Eriksson Ek. There's your Future Watch autograph. We got Anders Lee in the pack before it. Nobody said you can't get 3 autographs, though. You're getting 2, but I'm sure there's going to be, as I'm saying it, I'm sure there's going to be boxes with 3, right? Robert Thomas. You got Patrick Laine, Adam Fantilli, and curated signatures. Too early in the morning to be doing that to us. Right team, wrong rookie, Lucas Reichel. Chicago, there's your 3rd autograph. So like I said, nobody said you can't get 3 autographs in a box or 4 autographs in a box. SP Authentic's a weird product like that. There was a year there was a point in time where you could get 0 autographs or you could get 4 or 5. Stuart Skinner Pageantry, Hugh McGing. Glad they fixed that. There was honestly boxes there for a few years where it was like you honestly had a chance to get no autographs. But sometimes you might luck out and get 4 or 5. Joe Pavelski. Evolve. You got Larry Robinson, Pageantry, and Joel Eriksson Ek. Tyler Bertuzzi, another Evolve. There's Dadonov, Pageantry, Dallas. And Nick Swaney, Minnesota. All right, there's going to be a whole bunch of those dice rolls at the end. William Dufour, Brock Faber, Nikolai Ehlers. That should be it for this box. Got our 3 autographs. Evolve, Alexander Barkov, Nick Suzuki, and Devon Levi. Future Watch Red. Collaborations, Morgan Frost, Joe Farabee. Yeah, Mitch Marner Gold to 99. Tristan Yari. Extra autograph there that time. Freshman focus, Adam Fantilli. Gustion. He was the first autograph of the day. That's a fun fact. Mikko Rantanen. It's the answer to a trivia question someday. Blake Coleman, Nazem Kadri collaborations. We got Dakota Joshua, pageantry, and Walker Duehr. Future Watch red. No patch auto yet. Here's Barkov. Florida Panthers. Clayton Keller, Spectrum FX. And we got a Connor McDavid green evolve. So we've had a blue and a regular and now a green from McDavid, putting the whole rainbow together. Devon Levi. Suzuki Spectrum and Ty Cardi. No ink yet. Dawson Mercer, New Jersey, pageantry. Keandre Miller for the Rangers. And autograph? Nope. Freshman focus, St. Louis Blues. Hugh McGing. Korchinski and Bedard again collab. Timo Meyer. And Patira, Future Watch, Spectrum FX. Collab, Drew, Stutzel, Pageantry, Medano, Cole Gutman, Future Watch Red. Seem like a lot of the packs have the same format breakdown. Here's Owen Beck, Freshman Focus, Montreal. Nikita Nestorenko, Anaheim. And we have Jet Greaves, 367 and 999. Columbus Blue Jackets, Future Watch autograph. Cards seem to be in pretty good shape so far the year, too. I remember last year they had those pageantry cards. Every time you opened a pack with a pageantry in there, you knew it was coming because there was a whole bunch of, it was like scratch-off dust, like you would get off like a scratch ticket. So at least I got that fixed. Stamkos. All Tampa Bay, Evolve, Pageantry, Bouchard, and Coronado. Last pack should be autographed here, I believe. Tage Thompson, Buffalo. Fiala. I don't think we got an autograph there that time. And Adam Fantilli, $3.99. Columbus Blue Jackets. Nice low number for Fantilli, but we didn't get the autograph, did we? Jack Greaves was the only one there that time. Whew. That's no good. All right, so I guess that's where the other extra autograph went to, or came from. Let's do it again. 10 packs. The Vegas one, Patira. I thought that was in a different box. Maybe I'm losing it. Askarov, freshman focus. Too early in the morning. Matt Middleton and Bowen Barham. Collaborations, Patrick Lonnie, Adam Fantilli, Kyle Connor, Aiden McDonough. Sean Farrell, freshman focus, green. Svechnikov, UC Saros. Freshman focus, Coronado, Owen Beck, Hunter McGowan. Joe Pavelski, Evolve. Drew Hellison, 199, and Mitch Marner. Patch auto, nice. Yeah, it's almost noon. That don't mean that I'm any less tired, though. I got a baby going through sleep training, man. It's brutal. I might have slept like maybe 8 hours in the last combined maybe 3 nights. We got Patrick Kane, Evolve, Blue, Chicago, New York, Detroit. We got Tyson Forster and Future Watch Red Boston. Normally 11 o'clock's no problem. Last couple weeks, maybe a little bit. All right, I'm going to leave the patch out of there for a second. Keep you on a cliffhanger. Yes, Luke Hughes is in here. Adam Ginning. Ilya Sorokin, Spectrum FX, Jaden Struble. She's rocking a pacifier. Whatever will get us through the night at this point. Future Watch Spectrum FX, Vancouver. Elias Pettersson, Quinn Hughes, and Chandler Stevenson. All right, last pack here. We did see a patch auto there. We're going to drop back and check it out now. Okay. Tyler Clevin. Logan Stankoven. Stankoven. Kind of weird that he's in a 23-24 product when his Young Gun just came out in 24-25, no? And we got a Future Watch of the Columbus Blue Jackets. That's one of the retros, 65 of $3.99. Kuzneko. Nailed it. Let's check out the patch auto. It's time. Good luck, folks. Tyler Toffoli with another Evolve. We're going to come back to these Evolve cards at the end of the break, so stay tuned. Noah Katz, Cates, and Sam Reinhart for Florida Panthers. 41 of 100. 1, 2, 3 color patch auto. I was expecting a Future Watch auto patch, but we'll take it. It's pretty. Sam Reinhart. Florida Panthers. Good stuff. Florida is Johnny Landon. Nice hit. Not what I was expecting, but we'll take a patch auto any day. Three boxes left. Store is open in a half hour. Drop over, pick up your break hits. Not this one though. Check out the new product. This Connor Bedard freshman focus blue, a little bit tougher of a pull, and McDavid Draisaitl collaborations. Not a bad pack there actually. I got a feeling this product is, even though it's pricey by the pack, I got a feeling it's going to be very popular by the pack. Evolve, JT Miller, Rangers, Tampa, Vancouver, Pageantry, Chandler Stevenson, and John Ludwig. These Evolve cards going to be the death of me here at the end. We might end up doing one dice roll combined. That's what we did during Series 1 when the multiplayer cards got too much. Jackson Lacombe, freshman focus. Jared McCann, Pageantry, and Jeremy Swayman. Korchinski, Bedard with the blue collaborations. Haven't been any big Bedards, but there's been a few Bedard hits at least. Collaborations, Peter Forsberg, and a red Fantilli. We also got a blue Future Watch Fantilli. It was numbered to $2.99. I also sent out a ton of mail yesterday, so if you're expecting any mail, I know it seems like a long time, but the way our mail days work is mail gets sorted on Tuesday nights, and then the breaks are ready for pickup the next day. So we're doing $20 Tuesday. Say we're doing $20 Tuesday last week. We done 12, 10 or 11 breaks or whatever it was. Jonathan Huberdeau, they don't get sorted till the next Tuesday. So it seems like a long time in between. So if you're waiting on your $20 Tuesday hits, I'm just explaining why they're a little bit slow. Ryan O'Reilly and John Ludwig. There's one day a week we do the breaks, sort the mail, get it all sent out. And Tuesday, $20 Tuesdays just happens to be that night. So they usually miss the cut that night because the mail's already halfway through by the time we're doing our breaks Tuesday night. So it might seem like you're waiting for your $20 hits longer than other ones, but you probably are. That's the reason. All right, let's keep it rolling. Kapanen, Ovi, Edvidson, Spectrum FX Ovi. There's Ty Cardi, Spectrum FX, Matt Duchene. My God, so many of these Evolve cards. And Shane Pinto. I'm still kind of expecting a Future Watch Auto patch. I wouldn't count on it, but I'm kind of expecting one. Jonathan Gruden, Pittsburgh. Devon Levi, freshman focus. And Matt Murray, $2.59 at $6.99. Dallas Stars. To be honest with you, it is very possible that the first box of this break, we hit the biggest card of the break. We hit Matthew Nyes. Beautiful Future Watch autograph in the very first box. Marco Casper. Now, don't get me wrong. There could be another case hit or something hidden among here. Matthew Barzal. And nice Wyatt Johnston. 99 of 99. Last one made for the Dallas Stars. Nice. So, 2 Dallas hits in the same box. Cody Power licking his lips. And last pack here, we got 2 boxes remaining. Collab, Sergachev, Hedman, Connor Clifton, David Gust. All right, Zamboni run. Give me a sec. Let me clear some room. Two remaining. And I will say it about those Evolve cards. I know it's controversial, but it's a rule we've had forever, and it's just that's the way that you gotta set some rules in the breaks in case different things happen. But anyway, a multiplayer card. So say if you got 4 pieces of jersey on a card from three players from the same team and one player from another team. That card is going to go to the team that owns the most percentage of the cards. So some of these Evolve cards say they have like 2 Buffalo logos and then 1 logo for Florida. So Buffalo's going to take home that one. We don't need to do a dice roll for that one. That's a long-standing rule here. You own over 50% of the card. That card is yours. All right, we got Dustin Wolf, freshman focus, Calgary. Jonathan Huberdeau, Spectrum FX, and John Beecher. We're running out of chances here. Aidan McDonough, Spectrum FX, Devon Levi, freshman focus, and Matt Zuccarello. Tyler Bertuzzi with another Evolve. We got Connor Bedard, nice red Future Watch. Like I said, not a bunch of big Bedards, but a lot of Bedards. Nick Swaney, Minnesota Wild Future Watch. Evenson, freshman focus. Jurczyk. And boom! Connor Bedard, number to 999. Woo! Damn! I did not see that one coming, I'll be honest with you. I did not see that coming after the Matthew Nyes in the first box. Holy shit. That's a massive card, guys. That is a massive, massive card. Wow. Get that up on eBay now. Holy. You believe that? Unreal. Unreal early bird case. Wow. Woo! Not even my card, and I got my blood pressure jacked. Wow. Unreal, man. Unreal. Matthew Nyes, freshman focus. You'd swear that was my card. We got Matthew Coronado and Luke Phillip. Congratulations to Jen and Carrie. Nice hit, guys. That's a big card, man. I'm telling you, we got the early bird time zone. That's the whole reason we do these early bird breaks, for you get a big hit like that. And I don't know if Carrie's going to be selling that one, but if you wanted to maximize some money here right now, it would be a great time to throw that bad boy up on eBay for real. Darnell Nurse, Pasternak, Marchand, and McDavid. If I hit a Bedard Future Watch autograph, I would be putting it up on eBay and fielding some crazy offers right now. That's for sure. Wow, got my blood going here for sure. I was gonna say blood boiling, not at all. Fraser Minton, Chatfield, Peltier. Got my blood flowing, is what I'm trying to say. Crazy. Matthew Nyes to start and Bedard to finish up. How you like that? Vladimir Tarasenko, Evolve, and Cale Makar, Pageantry. Damn. Crazy, crazy. Yep, that is going to hit big money. I wouldn't surprise me, honestly, if that Future Watch gets 10 grand. Another Evolve, Devon Levi, Pageantry, and Cole McWard. For sure. I didn't even hit the goal horn. Yeah, you're right. Whoops. Delayed goal horn for Bedard. That's how big of a hit it was. That is a big, big card. Connor McDavid, Evolve. William Dufour, $3.99, and Braden Point. Yeah, I saw some people offering some bounties on the Bedards, but I don't think the bounty is really cutting it. It's easy to offer a bounty on a card that's worth double what you're offering. We got next. We got Luke Hughes, freshman focus. Stamkos and Florida. What do you say? Let's finish it up with a big hit here. Bedard and Matthew Nyes. Let's make it an epic case. We already got a huge case here. Let's make it an epic case. Sean Farrell, Spectrum FX, Senko, and Sider. All right, so we're going to do one dice roll here at the end of this break for all these Evolve cards. Left, middle, and right. So 1, 2, we'll give it to the left side. 3, 4, we'll give it to the middle. 5, 6, right side, all right? Ryan Winterton, they piled up super fast. And we got Nikita Nesterenko, Anaheim Ducks. Tyson Forster, Brady Tkachuk, Jonathan Marchessault. Jared McCann, Evolve. Bowen Byram and Ryan Johnson. Matt Murray, freshman focus. Edvidson, Pageantry, and Bo Horvat. So no Future Watch auto patch in this one, I guess. Unless they're really making us wait for it. Cole Gutman, Connor Dewar, and Pospisil. Larkin and Deepaket. Ebitson, 199, and Cousins. Here's Philip Grubauer. David Perron, 299, and McKinnon and Rantanen. Wow. Cannot believe we smacked a Matty Nyes and a Connor Bedard in the same case. Start the day. That's only just a sign of things to come. Let's go. Here's Kevin Fiala, William Dufour, and Luke Hughes, Red Future Watch. Guys, that's it for the break. Let me do a quick dice roll here for these Evolve cards. It's going to be a whole stack of Evolve cards with one dice roll. There's like 25 cards there. So we're going to do one dice roll for all. I'll use this one as an example. Kevin Fiala, 1, 2, Nashville, 3, 4, Minnesota, 5, 6, LA. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Good luck. One it is, left side. Left side, far left of the Evolves is going to be the ones that take it home. Good stuff, guys. Couldn't ask for a better start. How about that? Connor Bedard and Matty Nyes. Damn. Hell yeah. Great start to the day. We'll catch you later. We've got a couple more breaks in a few hours. See you then. Don't forget, go big or go home. Peace.